The first one is having a family history. If there is a parent or a sibling with autism, then the child may go on to develop autism themselves. Or sometimes there can be social communication and language deficits, if not autism altogether. The second risk factor that is seen is having other medical conditions, or rather genetic conditions like Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome, where the child will have autism along with other symptoms related to these disorders. The third risk factor is having a higher parental age at conception. That is, if the parents who are slightly older in age when they conceive, then this child may go on to have autism. The last factor is preterm birth or low birth weight. A child who is born preterm or a child who has low weight at birth, even there is data to support that these children may also go on to develop autism in future. But I'd like to clarify that having a risk factor doesn't mean that the child will have autism. There is only slightly higher likelihood of having autism in future. So now, why is it important to identify autism early and treat it early? Identifying autism early, that is having an early diagnosis, will help children with autism access treatments and therapies tailored to their needs. It also empowers families with tools and resources needed to support their children. Early intervention can make a world of difference in helping children with autism achieve their full potential. So if you have any concern about the development of your children, you can, without hesitation, reach out to your psychiatrist. Together, we can build a supportive community that is inclusive for everybody.